Hi, welcome back to Guess What? Think you're a geography whiz? It's time to prove it. Answer these 30 questions and see how much you really know about our world. Question number 1. Which continent is known as the Dark Continent? Africa, Asia, or South America? Answer is Africa. Question number 2. What is the largest country by land area? Canada, Russia, or China? Answer is Russia. Question number 3. Which ocean is the largest? Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, or Pacific Ocean? Answer is Pacific Ocean. Question number 4. What is the capital of Japan? Tokyo, Kyoto, or Osaka? Answer is Tokyo. Question number 5. Which river is the longest in the world? Amazon, Nile, or Yangtze? Answer is Nile. Question number 6. What is the smallest country in the world? Monaco, Vatican City, or Liechtenstein? Answer is Vatican City. Question number 7. Which desert is the largest in the world? Sahara, Gobi, or Arabian? Answer is Sahara. Question number 8. What is the capital of Canada? Ottawa, Toronto, or Vancouver? Answer is Ottawa. Question number 9. Which mountain is the highest in the world? Mount Everest, K2, or Mount Kilimanjaro? Answer is Mount Everest. Question number 10. What is the official language of Brazil? Portuguese, Spanish, or English? Answer is Portuguese. Question number 11. What is the capital city of Australia? Sydney, Melbourne, or Canberra? Answer is Canberra. Question number 12. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Japan, China, or South Korea? Answer is Japan. Question number 13. Where is the Great Wall located? China, Mongolia, or Japan? Answer is China. Question number 14. What is the longest mountain range on land? Andes, Rockies, or Himalayas? Answer is Andes. Question number 15. What is the largest island in the world? Greenland, Madagascar, or Borneo? Answer is Greenland. Question number 16. What is the capital of France? Paris, Marseille, or Lyon? Answer is Paris. Question number 17. Which country has the most volcanoes? Japan, Indonesia, or USA? Answer is Indonesia. Question number 18. Which country is famous for its tulips and windmills? Netherlands, Belgium, or Denmark? Answer is Netherlands. Question number 19. Which country is home to the Great Barrier Reef? Australia, New Zealand, or Fiji? Answer is Australia. Question number 20. What is the largest city in the USA by population? Los Angeles, Chicago, or New York City? Answer is New York City. Question number 21. What is the capital of Egypt? Cairo, Alexandria, or Luxor? Answer is Cairo. Question number 22. Which country has the largest population? India, China, or Russia? Answer is China. Question number 23. What is the smallest ocean? Arctic Ocean, Southern Ocean, or Indian Ocean? Answer is Arctic Ocean. Question number 24. What is the highest waterfall in the world? Niagara Falls, Angel Falls, or Victoria Falls? Answer is Angel Falls. Question number 25. Which country is known for the Eiffel Tower? France, Germany, or Italy? Answer is France. Question number 26. What is the longest river in South America? Amazon River, Orinoco River, or Paraná River? Answer is Amazon River. Question number 27. Which country is home to the ancient city of Petra? Jordan, Egypt, or Turkey? Answer is Jordan. Question number 28. Which island is known as the Island of the Gods? Bali, Fiji, or Madagascar? Answer is Bali. Question number 29. What is the tallest building in the world? Burj Khalifa, Empire State Building, or Tokyo Skytree? Answer is Burj Khalifa. Question number 30. Which sea is the largest in the world? Caribbean Sea, Caspian Sea, or Mediterranean Sea? Answer is Caspian Sea.
For more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe.